everyone, welcome to summer. So now I'm just going to talk about a bunch of products that I would like to recommend to you, like products like this that you can use for your skin type. Okay, now talking about skincare, guys, these things are actually good for any skin type, but mostly for those that want moisture back into their skin. I prefer to do that because of my flying and all that. I live in the AC a lot, right? So the Innisfree Green Tea Moisture Essence, oh my god, my skin drinks this up literally. And one day I forgot to put this on or something and my skin felt so dry afterwards, guys. So my skin is really used to it. I don't know if that's good or bad, but I love this stuff. So this green tea essence, I feel it's a very nice balancing thing. It's very mild. That's what it feels like on my skin actually. My skin is not sensitive, by the way. And it provides moisture to the skin and your skin will just glow, okay? I mean, this is makeup right now, but my skin glows like this and that is all because of that. I would definitely give it all to this and to drinking a lot of water. So this essence is something that you should definitely look up to, even if you have an oily skin type or whatever. I feel this balances the skin very well and provides moisture that it needs. So green tea essence is a big recommendation. A face cream recommendation that I have is the Benigma face cream. I actually worked with them and did a review for them. I will link that video right here or wherever it's supposed to be. And it's actually made with bee venom, by the way, so that's fancy. So this is very thick and moisturizing when you apply it at first, but within like a second or two, it goes completely dry and then it's ready for any makeup or maybe if you want to put on some sunscreens. Talking about body, for summers, I've been loving the Vaseline Aloe Soothe. Now this is for dry skin. I don't really agree with that it will be good for dry skin. It's a bit too drying for dry skin, but then in the summers this is what you need, I feel. But basically what I'm trying to promote here is to moisturize your skin. Make sure to do that. Your body skin might not be oily or something, you know, you might not recognize the oiliness or sensitiveness or whatever of it. So something like this is good. This will turn dry when you apply it and feels very hydrating. It smells very fresh. That doesn't hurt. Talking about makeup, I would definitely recommend to keep it very simple and easy for summers because the heat does not allow makeup to stay very well, and then because of makeup you're gonna feel more sweaty. So it's best if you go light. I've loved the Lakme 9 to 5 Color Transform Cream. So you could simply just put this on. This is like a nice canvas underneath any powder or anything that you're gonna do. Make sure to powder your face though, because after this your face is gonna be a bit, not greasy, but a bit moisturizing, I don't know what to say. So you can easily wear this and use the L'Oreal Matte Magic Powder Foundation, because right now powder is key. So if you use powder foundation, that's going to dry up your face also. You're going to get some nice coverage. So this is very nice, especially for oily skin types. Now this product was sent to me, by the way. I'll link the review right here. I even did a giveaway with it, so congrats to the winner. Now as far as makeup is concerned, I mean, apart from today I'm filming a video, that's why, but in normal life I have been really into a more natural kind of makeup that just really enhances my skin, which totally goes with the theme of this month, right? So I really think you should let your skin breathe and let your skin be stress-free from the makeup and all that when you can. So for the day, I would definitely recommend a cream highlight, okay? So after you've done everything, you want a little glow on your face, you know, you want your face to look a bit healthy. So something like this. This is the Wet n Wild Coverall Concealer Palette. I got this from Dubai, from the Virgin store. So this is actually a cream highlight, the white one. It's a cream highlight. Look at that. Okay? So you can put a little bit of this on, and once you spread it, see, it just glows so nicely. So you can just put it here, here, and wherever you're supposed to put the highlighter, and then this will just highlight your features and your skin will just look a little glowy and healthy. And then you can put on a lip tint or a lip oil, which both of them I've been loving these days. This is all I use, literally. So the lip tint that I've been using is a Body Shop lip tint. Now the one thing is that this dries your skin a lot, lip skin, and that is a characteristic of tints because they are water based, so it's gonna, you know, dry out your skin. So it's like this and it feels very fancy. Whenever I take it outside with me and apply it in like public bathrooms, people are like, who is she? Who is she? And you could totally put this on your cheeks as well. However, I would definitely say that since this just sinks in so quickly, if you put dots of it here and then blend it, within that second of putting it there and raising your hand, you're gonna have 3 dots. So that's not very convenient. So be careful about that. Maybe put it on a sponge before or your fingers before. But yeah, for lips, I love it and I'm loving the gradient effect that this gives. So that's awesome. If you're wearing a lot of lip product, your lips tend to be chappy, right? Chappy, that's a nice word. I have been dying over the Clarins lip oil. This is the only thing that I've been using. Can you see how much I've used already? And this is an oil, so only a little bit of it will be used, but I've already used this much. And I bought it like just 1 month ago or something. I love it. It gives a nice red tint. I got the red one. The color is called 03 Red Berry. Now this is a bit pricey. It's for 2000 something rupees, but it's totally worth it, guys. But I don't really get into a lot of expensive stuff, but this is something that I would recommend. If you have money saved up and you're like, I wonder what should I buy, this is something that you should definitely buy. It's gonna moisturize your lips, and then it's gonna make them look glossy, but it's moisturizing and it gives a little tint. So hello, you need to buy it. And the red color suits the Indian skin tone a lot. It gives a nice healthy, you know, little thing. It's like makeup and skincare in one. That's what I'm aiming for in this video. So yeah. Also, if you have an oily skin type, I would definitely recommend... I can't speak. If you have an oily skin type, I would definitely recommend the Rimmel London Match Perfection Loose Powder. This is a translucent powder and it's so cheap. I've taken this off, but it's probably for like 150 or something rupees. So all of you can afford it. The color is 001 transparent, so there's no color to it. And I love Rimmel packaging and all that. There you go, that's what it looks like. And this is translucent powder, so it's colorless. This is what I have today again. So it's not going to provide any added coverage or anything. So if you're someone that doesn't want to do makeup or doesn't want to do extra makeup, you could totally use this. Use it with a brush or a sponge or whatever. Put it on your face, and then whatever excess is there, just dust it off. It's going to control the oil very nicely. So I would highly recommend this. And this is the cheaper alternative. Hey, not all of my products were expensive, right? So guys, this was my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I filmed after so long, so I don't know how I did in front of the camera. I hope it was fine. Like it up if I was fine. And I'll make sure to link every product in the bottom bar below if you want to buy it. The part 1 will be linked right here on the screen so that you can go ahead and find out everything about your skin type and just really get the knowledge for it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye till then.